I want to say that please government release our Guruji, because not only me, many of youth in lakhs also including or joining Dera Sacha Soda for doing many welfare works.
क्या नाम है आपका?
Shalu here.
क्वालिफिकेशन?
I am doing UPSC and as I am pursuing in BA second year.
डेरा सच्चा सौदा के साथ कब से जुड़े हो?
Since from my birth I am coming here. As Guruji motivate us, guide us, inspire us for doing many welfare works. From my birth I am very inspired by Guruji, as I want to serve my country. From this is also come in mind from my Guruji's guidance. I want to say that please government release our Guruji, because not only me, many of youth in lakhs also including or joining Dera Sacha Soda for doing many welfare works. I heartily request to government, he is not guilty for any crime. As doing many welfare works is crime, then we are also a criminal. Please arrest us, otherwise release him, because doing welfare works is a crime, then we are also criminals. Please arrest us. And I am as a UPSC servant, because I want to serve my country, I am saying that he is a great inspiration for youth, for every person living in the world, living in this country. As we see in foreign countries, people are clean and people are also following him. They are not mentally disturbed, but they are thinking from their heart that this work and this man is doing many things for every people, for every person in the world.
What is the main contribution of Guruji for the country?
The main motivation and main thing is that he is cleaning our society. Okay, and the second thing is he is with जैसे Narendra Modi ji is saying that बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, ठीक है. Then he is saying that I am also a girl, ठीक है. My parents are proud of me, my Guru is proud of me, because I am I want to serve my country, and I am doing this from this age. I am 19 years old, and from my birth, my family, my Guruji is saying that do many welfare works, and here is no partiality between boys and a girl. Everyone is equal here. Not a girl is saying that you are not for education, you are not allowing to go outside, but our parents, our society and our Guruji. In our society we are including every person, but as now I am including Dera Sacha Soda volunteers. Everyone is increasing us, inspiring us to do welfare works to serve my country. And my Guruji also said that kar bhala to ho bhala.
Which type of welfare works you or Guruji inspire you to do?
As he is saying that to clean your society, to clean your country, to clean your world. As a youth, nowadays we are seeing that every person is mentally disturbed, or every youth is negatively affected by this pandemic attack COVID-19. Then they are seeing that, and they are feeling that we are now we are under a pressure that we have to do things. But from my Guruji's inspiration, I am meditating daily, and I am doing from meditation. It give me a willpower to increase my thoughts, to increase me for doing my studies, and for increase me to do welfare works.
But also many allegations with him. What you want to say about that?
As I said to you, that if doing good works is a crime, then we are also criminals. Arrest us. And if doing good works is not a crime, then he is not guilty for any crime.
What do you want to say about allegations?
They are totally fake allegations. Media are showing this thing as we know nowadays a news Sushant Singh Rajput coming in this media, then this is a big issue for media. They are not saying NEET JEE exam are happening this in this pandemic COVID-19 attack, then no media is showing that government is doing a nonsense thing. I said that because youth is the future of this country. As we know, all know, youth is the future of this country, and government is known by this thing that if this exam is held, many students, many youth are affected by this, and not only youth, their families, their many people affected by this, but no media is showing that this is a fake thing. This is not they are not supporting students. They are wanting mirch masala type news. Okay, from that time they take a news, Guruji, Guruji, Guruji. No one is showing that people are doing welfare works. He is not with us from his body, but in our souls he is always and guiding us. We are doing many things, but I am not against my government that he is not giving justice to the persons. He is not giving justice to anything, but I am saying that give justice to us also. Release our Guruji. At least talk to us. Many of youth want to talk our government. If he is guilty, then we are also guilty.
Thank you so much, sir.